Hello guys, welcome back. This is your faculty Sudarshan. Now, in this video, we will be discussing on the last crucial 4.5 day study plan, which is helpful for to prepare and to appear in your December 2023 examination for paper 1. Before getting into this video, I just want all the viewers, those who are watching this video, just close your eyes for a second or for a minute. Some of them are not yet closed. We will wait for them. Yes, it is most important, crucial 4.5 days, which I put my all my efforts to prepare this study plan, which is comprisingly of all the 100%. And one more thing is, if you follow this study plan and if you trust this process, on the result day, maybe in Feb, on the result day, the 4 magical letters is going to be appear in your results. That is PASS, pass. Okay, if you want to visualize it, if you want to realize it, then trust the process, trust us. We will give you an good, proper, with practical study plan, which is applicable for this upcoming attempt. Just open your eyes and then we will getting into the video very quickly, and just I try to summarize everything what I am going to give it for you. Yes, guys. So this is going to be a 4.5 days. Why 4.5 days, sir? Because it is going to be a first exam. First exam, you should do really well. You should do really well. So I am taking 4.5 days, which starts from 27, 28, 29, 30, and then 31st. That is on the examination day. This is one of the last chances for those who are appearing under the old syllabus. Then from June 2024 onwards, it is going to be new syllabus. For some of them are writing for the first time, or some of them are already written once, twice, or thrice. That's everything you will forgot it. First or last, this is our final chance which we're going to clear it, crack it. So first thing is, we will start the study plan from 8 a.m. 8 to 10 a.m. we will start with immediately with the partnership act we will do. Okay, immediately with partnership act, unit 1 and 2, along with concepts and sums we will do. It's a basic, many of them will forgot, but we will take it as a first priority and we will complete it. Then 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. we will take a break. We have studied for 2 hours. We will do some of the breakfast stuff, everything we will done. And we will again sit for studying, and we will give immense time to only unit 3, which is a base for unit 4 and unit 5. That is regarding admission. So we will give some time for that. 1 to 2 p.m. we will take a break we will take a lunch break. We will just fill up our stomach and we will come back and we will sit and study from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Why this specific 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. yet? In a single stretch, I'm putting 3 hours, because this 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. in the another 4 days, you are going to be sit and write everything on 2 to 5 p.m. only. So your mind should be properly working and your brain should be properly actively working. So what we are doing on each and every day, 2 to 5 p.m., we are not getting into any sleep mode. We will turn on and we will work hardly. Okay. Part 4 and part unit 4 and unit 5, we will be doing together, because there is only slight differences between unit 4 and unit 5. So we will give immense 3 hours time to crack those things. It is also you are going to learn concepts plus sums. Okay. First off, along with the post lunch, we have taken and we have done with a very big chapter. Now almost 15 marks is approximately done. We will just move on and we'll just spend some other rest of the day with slightly uh, less important topics, but at the same time will comes to the exam for 5 marks. Okay, so 6 to 8 p.m. will go with average due date and sailor return. It is more than sufficient. 2 hours, you can easily crack it. Then 8 to 9 p.m. we will go for a dinner break, and we will come back and we will start at 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Account current we will do simply 1 hour. It is more than sufficient. Only three methods. You can easily crack it and getting into the bed at 10 p.m. On the day two, our target is around 35 to 40 marks is our target. So on the morning session from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m., we will start with NPO. That's purely conceptual. We have 10 to 14 special item category, that is subscription, outstanding expenses, outstanding wages, legacies, donations, endowment fund, life membership fee. Like this, we have some of the special points. We will just try to remember all those concepts along with some basics, and then we will move on. Then 9 to 10, you will take a breakfast break or whatever the break you want. Then 10 a.m. to 1 a.m., another 3 hours, we will practice sums. Practicing should be done from suggested answers, MTPs, RTPs. So this is for those who are watching this video in the YouTube. For our students who are actually a Hari Academy students already, you can give those workbook which I given to you. That is more than sufficient for you. Okay, you don't need to go on there and we'll just all the things you need to merge it and then you need to do. Don't. We have already done and we take that heavy work and we have already given a material to you. You can practice those from it. Then from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m., we will take a break. That's a lunch break. We will take a very light foods. In the next 3 to 4 days, we will only take light foods. Don't take heavy foods. Don't take junk foods. Take care of your health. Health is more important because I have faced 2 times in my career not going to exam because of the health issue. I know the pain, how it will kills. Okay. Even on the same examination day, it will happens to me. Okay, so make sure you are focusing on the health as a main priority. Then 2 p.m. to 5 p.m., we will just do an important topic. At the same time, the 3 hours should be, don't be very hectic. So we will plan bills of exchange and consignment. You can expect any one for your examination. Okay, either the bills of exchange will come or either the consignment will come. What I am expecting this time, bills of exchange will come as a more priority for 10 marks rather than focusing on consignment. Okay, anything can happen. So focus on both the things, bills of exchange and consignment put together. Okay. Then 5 to 6, we have studied for almost 3 hours. 3 hours means you can take 5 hours, 5 minutes, 10 minutes here and there break. That is allowed completely. At 5 p.m. to 6 p.m., we will take some snacks break or coffee break or something. We'll just chill out and we will come back and we will sit at 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. We will do another important topic at the same time easiest one, and it will also comes to an exam for good marks, that is banking reconciliation statement, BRS. This BRS, if you want, we have already uploaded a 20 minutes a shortcut video which will be helpful for you, and you can easily do it, you can usually utilize it. And regarding those consignment, we have uploaded a video. Bills of exchange revision videos we have uploaded. NPO we have uploaded. Account current full classes is uploaded. Average due date is fully uploaded. Sale or return full classes uploaded in the YouTube. Go and check out my playlist. You can also check out the NPO sums in the CMA Inter playlist because the same sums are there for same concepts are there also there for them. So make sure you are utilizing the free resources and get done well in your exams. Now 8 to 8:30, we will take a short break for a dinner and we will come back at 8:30 to 10:30. We will do another slight important topic for our examination, inventories. We will do concepts plus because it's a very small chapter, maximum 11 illustration problems, and along with 2 practical problems are mostly there. You can easily sum up in those 2 hours and you can done well. And we will go to a bed at 10:30 p.m. Now, our day 3, the last second day before the examination, here our target is to focusing on unit 1 of company accounts. Okay. And unit 2 concepts alone we will be focusing. Okay. And 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. we will take a breakfast break. And 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. on another 3 hours session, we will do unit 2 sums because it is going to be very crucial. Either 10 marks or 15 mark sums is going to be there from unit 2. So you need to give immense time to unit 2. Whatever I say sums, it is inclusive of suggested answers, RTPs, MTPs, all those you need to see it at that time. Okay, don't put it on the examination day. I will see MTP sir, I will see RTP sir. That will not ever work. Do everything on the completion of each and every chapter itself. Okay, and unit 3, we will only study those concepts. What is a debenture, basics things we will just remember along with this 3 hour session. 12 to 2 p.m. as we have studied almost 3 hours, we will take a break and we will sit and we will study for those 2 hours. We will take a break. From 2 p.m. to 3 p.m., we will do unit 3. Some what we have studied as a concept, we will apply and we will do it. Okay, sums means it is suggested answers, MTPs or TPs. Okay, next 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. we will do depreciation concepts alone. Okay, and 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. we will take a break, and 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. depreciation sum. Again, I am telling wherever the sums comes, it is suggested answers, MTPs and RTPs. For those who are studying with us, that is already studying with the Hari Academy, you are already given with the workbook and assignment problems. You can utilize it. Okay. 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. we will take a dinner break and we will come back at 9 p.m. until 10 p.m. We will this a sleepy mode. Every will have a hectic day. So what we will do? We will do a short topic that is capital and revenue expenditure, a very small chapter, but it will comes minimum for 2 marks or sometimes for 4 marks or sometimes theory question can be tested from this part. Okay, from this part it can be tested. So make sure capital and revenue expenditure you are having a very good grip. Then the last day before the exam, day 4. What is the day 4? It's 30/12/2023. Sorry, 30/12/2023. One final push you are going to give. We will wake up early at 6 a.m. till 8 a.m. We will study final accounts concepts. Again, we are having an adjustments. 10 to 14 adjustments are there. We'll try to remember what will happen if that adjustments comes, closing stock comes, what will happen. If it is even in what is closing stock appears in trial balance, what if not appear in trial balance, everything you can do. For this also, we have already given it in the playlist under the CMA Inter. You can check out those revision videos also. Okay. And 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. you will take a breakfast break, and from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. you will do a final account sums. Okay, and from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. you will take a break. If you need, if you want to study some theory questions from suggested answers, MTPs and RTPs. Okay, done with the module 2. Each and every day we will take one topic from module 2 and we will complete it for in the first half. That's a major plan, and we have done on the one day before the exam. That is completely fine. From 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. we will strictly focusing on rectification of errors, another important area which will come through your examination. Okay, I am also expecting this question this time. I am expecting this should be for minimum 10 marks going to be appear in your examination. So focus it and do it well. 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. we will take a break again. From 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. we will take a quick glance on chapter 2. That is journal, ledger, trial balance, subsidiary book and cash books. You can include cash books also. Okay, cash books will quickly glance what is there, what is not there, how to do everything we will see. 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. we will take a dinner break. From dinner break, come back 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. we will study only those true or false in the ICA material, because you have already done with the concepts, you know it, but know how to write it is a main tool. So what we will do, we'll just visualize what is there in the ICA study mat. That's the first part. Basically 5 chapters you can cover, or module 1 alone you can cover, or module 2, because in this part you can cover module 2 because it is going to be true or false is very less in module 2, so you can cover those module 2. 10 p.m. early go to bed, don't focus much on, don't use mobile phones, don't For the next 3 to 4 days, don't go to the internet site. Okay, if you want, what is the connection between you and your mentor, or what is the connection between you and your coaching center, or what is the connection between you and your friend, what you're going for a group study or something. Okay, so that's the only thing you need to focus. Other than this, Instagram or other social medias, you try to avoid. Now the main day comes, the last 6 months struggle what we have given, we are going to showcase, and we are going to put it all those things in a one bottle, that is on 31/12/2023. I don't know how 2023 went for you. It is really went good for me. I hope it is also. I want each and everyone to enrich this. 2023 is going to be a first exam you're going to write, but I will assume this is you are going to return on the next year, because it is a completely a last year which is almost done. Okay, so all the process what you have put, that comes to an end. You need to trust the process, I always tell. So on this examination day, you will from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. you will study this theory question from suggested answers, RTPs and MTPs. You'll study, just read it. Don't try to memorize it. Remember the subheadings if any. Okay, recall keywords. That's the three things you can do. That is more than sufficient. Okay, then 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. we'll take a just quick break for a breakfast and just refreshing, and we will come back at 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. or 11:30 if you want to extend. You can focus on true or false from ICA study mat, suggest answers, RTPs, MTPs for module 1. Okay, module 1. On this, after 11:30 or 11, you don't study anything, just go and appear in your exam. You covered 100% of the portion. Okay, you are never left anything. From 1:45 p.m. to 5 p.m. keep calm. Just open your question at 1:45 p.m. Read the question paper from the last page. I will tell my students to study from the last page. Those who are viewers, studied from the second page also. It is also why, sir? Because in first page some true or false may be difficult, some theory questions will be there, or you may, if you see the true or false, if you don't know, you will be end up in some you will put it in a different way that I don't know anything, so I have not studied. Don't go into the shell. That's come out of it and study from the second question. Even the second question, third, fourth may be your best question. So study it. What I will tell now, I will prepare good. I will put my efforts to prepare my students in company accounts really well. That is going to be appear on question number 6. So I will tell, read the question paper from the last. It is the best thing. You can study those question paper from the last. Okay. And if you want another video how to utilize those 15 minutes, if you want, just comment below and share to your friends. If you want, we will come up with the video. Only if the comments will be there, we will come up with the video how to utilize those 15 minutes on accounts exam, on law exam separately. We will come up with those video, I will assure you. Okay, on the 5 p.m. whenever you, when once your exam is over, you come out of the exam hall, forgot about paper 1, move on to paper 2 and focusing on paper 2. And don't forget to check out our videos at 1.5 days revision study plan we have come up with. So don't forget, do like, share and subscribe to your this channel and share to your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.